Hi to all the moms. How is it going? Your first baby in hand, or maybe your second baby in hand, but your baby in hand. The first cry that you've ever heard, be it C-section or a normal, that's down in the memory. I still remember that day when I was on the table, I had a C-section, and the first cry I had of my baby. It was still fresh in my mind. I just want to talk about a few things that we do, listening to a lot of people, and a few myths that we also believe and follow while taking care of a newborn baby. Sleep. Your baby will sleep a lot. She's just born or he's just born, and the only thing that they do is just sleep. There are a lot of times that I've seen where when people come to visit, we try to wake the baby up. Please do not do that. Sleep at this time is the most precious thing that your baby can ever have. Your baby is developing right now. The brain is developing right now. Your baby on a whole is developing. So it all happens during that phase. Just because someone comes to see your baby, it's not your baby's fault not to sleep. So please allow your baby to sleep, because this is the time when the baby would sleep and develop as fast as possible. And the second thing that I would want to ponder on is about scrubbing your baby. I think from around 11 days, what we usually do in India is we try to mix either besan or green gram powder, and mix it with turmeric and saffron powder, and we try to scrub the baby, not realizing that we are hurting the baby. Even I did the same mistake, and I realized that post 2 months. And the cry that I had from my baby every morning was a heart pain. I still remember this fact. My baby was just days old, and every time that lady whom we appointed to come and scrub her, my baby would listen to her voice, she would immediately start crying. And I did not realize the amount of fear I am creating in her. So at this point of time, the baby only needs a mild massage. She doesn't need to be scrubbed. But according to old tradition, they say it is good. But factually, according to what my gynec advised me, was that your baby needs your touch and your massage as a mother. So we mothers need to give a mild massage to our babies and make them feel more closer, more warmer, and more protective. So scrubbing your baby right now is not advisable, but if you still feel that you still need to go ahead, kindly contact your pediatrician and take a second opinion, because at this point of time your baby needs your love, and we mothers are here to give our love to our babies and make them feel protective, make them feel really nice. So let us start giving them a mild, nice, warm massage, and please do not do the mistake that I did. That only lasted for around, I think, two months, and then I stopped. I was the one who would give her a nice massage and put her to sleep. And yelling, shouting and crying of a baby at that small age is something that is not advisable, because you are instilling the fear factor even when the baby is born, and that is something that is really bad. And as I said, your baby needs your touch. We are moms and they need our touch. And the last thing that I want to talk about is breastfeed your baby. Only when your baby asks. Do not wake up the baby even when she's sleeping and saying, no, baby didn't have food, baby didn't have milk. I need to wake up the baby and feed the baby. Your baby will ask you for milk or cry when he or she is hungry. So do not force your baby, because you're instilling the habit of pushing your baby towards what you want. Even they have the freedom to do what they want when they want, but do not start forcing your thing onto the baby. So when your baby is hungry, she or he will definitely ask. So do not wake your baby up in the middle of the sleep and say, you have to have. And when the baby doesn't have or resist from having, trying to knock on the cheek and say, have it. No. Your baby will have it when needed. So do not force your baby. And I know it is a really bad phase because your baby is only on your milk, and every 2 hours, every 3 hours, we have to be awake to give our babies their food. So it is a little stressful. So whenever moms you get sleep, see to it that you just take your sleep and keep being positive and tell yourself that you are a mom and you have a new baby. And this is, forget about the next 2 years that you have in hand, because implying and putting those precious moments into your baby's hand is more important than us working out and making money. This phase will never come back. So moms, be happy, be excited, and really enjoy momhood. And if you have questions, kindly subscribe and leave a comment or a question in the comment box. Also, if you want to have a mom talk or a mom chat with me, you can definitely ping me on, I'm available on Instagram, on YouTube, and on Facebook. So we can chat more, know more, and talk more about what we are going through. Moms, you are precious, and you have given birth to a precious, adorable gift that is with you for life. So cheers to you, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this journey. See you until next time. Bye-bye.